Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of chapter first, and chapter name is 3 questions. Dear student, whatever I taught you in your earlier video, I hope you understand very well. And in previous video we have already studied that the wounded man, the king, went out of the hut and looked round the hermit. Means the king left the wounded man and went out of the hut and looked to the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answer to his questions. And the king, about to leave that place, before he leave that place, he again went to the hermit and asked the answer of his 3 questions. The hermit was on his knees sowing seed in the bed that had been dug the day before. Means at that time the hermit was on his knees and sowing the seeds whatever prepared by the king that had been dug day before. That beds was prepared by the king before a day. The king went up to hermit and said, "For the last time I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." And the king asked to the hermit that last time I asked you the answer of my 3 questions. Okay, student? Now, you have already been answered, said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. Then the hermit said that you have already got your answers. At that time, the hermit was bending down to the ground and the king was stood before him. यानी हर्मिट ने बोला कि राजा, आपके अपने प्रश्नों का उत्तर तो मिल चुका है। और उस समय जो है, जो हर्मिट थे वह अपने पैरों के बल अपने क्यारी में बैठे हुए थे और राजा उनके सामने खड़े थे. हाउ हैव आई बीन आंसर्ड? व्हाट डू यू मीन? Then the king said, how I have got the answer, and what do you mean? Then, do you not see? Replied the hermit. Hermit replied that, don't you see? If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. And the hermit said that if you don't show pity on my weakness, then you go from here. आप यहाँ से चले गए होते. Then that man would have attacked you, and you have wished you had stayed with me. And that man attacked with you and killed you. But you stayed with me. It is a time then you save. So the most important time was when you are digging the bed. And the hermit said to the king that the most important time for you to digging the bed. हर्मिट ने बोला कि आपके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम वह था कि आप बेड को यानी क्यारी आप बना रहे थे. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम फॉर यू. एंड आई वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट मैन. एंड द हर्मिट ऑल्सो सेड दैट एट दैट टाइम आई वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट मैन फॉर यू. एंड to do me good was your most important business. And whatever you do, good things you do, good things is your important business. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you are caring for him. And after that, उसके बाद when that man was running to us and we were help him for caring him, that is the most important time. And if you had not dressed his wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. And the hermit also said to the king that if you do not dress his wound, then that man was dead. And when that man was dead, he didn't made peace with you. अगर वो आदमी मर जाता तो आपके साथ शांति स्थापित नहीं हो पाता, यानी आपसे जो है दोस्ती नहीं हो पाती. So he was the most important man. Then that man was the most important man for you. And what you did for him was your most important business. And what were you do for that bearded man, that was the most important business. Remember, then there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. And the hermit said to the king that you should remember that there is that only one time that is important, and that time is now. हर्मिट ने बोला कि केवल एक ही इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम होता है और वह इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम अभी का, इसी समय का है. इट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम बिकॉज इट इज़ द ओनली टाइम वी हैव एनी पावर टू एक्ट. एंड ही ऑल्सो सेड दैट इट इज़ अ ओनली टाइम दैट वी हैव पावर टू डू अ गुड थिंग्स. हर्मिट ने जो है राजा को समझाते हुए कहा कि जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम होता है वह तुरंत का होता है, प्रेजेंट टाइम होता है, जिसमें आपके पास जो है पावर होता है अच्छे काम करने का. तो हमें उस समय जो है हमें अच्छा काम करना चाहिए अपने पावर के अकॉर्डिंग. मोस्ट नेसेसरी पर्सन is the person you are with the particular moment, and the most necessary person is you yourself. और उसने ये भी बताया कि जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन आदमी खुद होता है एक पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट के लिए. फॉर नो वन नोज what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else, and no one know about what will happen in the future, and we will meet again or not any person. और कोई नहीं जानता है कि भविष्य में क्या होगा। कोई ये नहीं जानता है कि हम जिस पर्सन से आज मिल रहे हैं उससे कल फिर से मुलाकात हो पाएगी कि नहीं। द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बिजनेस इज टू डू that the person good, because we were sent into the world for that purpose alone. And the most important business is to do a person good. Means जो हम लोगों का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बिजनेस होना चाहिए वह हमें हमेशा अच्छे काम करना चाहिए, बिकॉज we were sent by the God in the world to do our good things.